Hi everyone, myself Atish Jain. My students keeps on asking me, sir, tell me what is the secret to become a good programmer? What are the tips to become a successful programmer? I am coaching programming since 15 years. So from my 15 years of experience, after speaking to hundreds of students who trained under my guidance, and now they are working as senior software engineers, senior software programmers, and few are the CEOs of companies. So I have decoded the 4 P's to be a successful programmer. Here in this mind map, I am going to explain what are the 4 P's to be a successful programmer. See here, these are the 4 P's. You just try to validate with yourself if you resonate with these 4 P's or not. And if you have these 4 P's, then definitely you can be a successful programmer. The first one, passion. Yes, my dear friends, you need to have passion towards a subject or any work what you are going to do. Why? Because without passion, you cannot continue in that work for long term. Is it clear? See, I am so much passionate towards this software industry. That's why if I take any batch, I'll get the same energy when I have took the first batch before 15 years. With the same energy, with the same enthusiasm, I am going to take my classes. Why? Because I am so much passionate towards teaching. I feel happy when I train my students and when I see they are getting succeeded in their life. So your true passion will make you to be in that field for long term. Otherwise, at some point of time, you'll quit. And the second P is problem. Yes, programming is all about solving problems by using computers. So if you don't have the mindset of understanding the problem, then how will you solve the problem? How will you give you the solution for that problem? So to be a successful program, you need to have the mindset of understanding the problem. Means while understanding the problem in your subconscious mind, you need to find solutions for that. So if you have that kind of mindset, means analyzing the problem, understanding the problem, and if you can prepare a better solution for that, then definitely you can be a good programmer. And the third P is patience. Yes, my dear friends, this is the biggest asset a programmer should have. You need to sit hours together to solve a problem. And patience is the biggest asset a programmer should have. Otherwise, it's very difficult to survive in this industry. Why? Because the problems which are given to you are not solved earlier, and you are the one who is going to provide you the solution. There is no blueprint. There is no ready-made solution available earlier. Then, right from the beginning, you need to work for finding out the better solution for that problem. And in this phase, patience plays very, very important role. So if you have a lot of patience, then definitely you can be in this industry. And of course, without practice, you cannot be a successful programmer. Practice makes man perfect. Yes, this statement is 100% true. So if you have the attitude of practicing more and more and more, then definitely you can be a successful programmer. So one check whether you are aligned with these 4 P's or not. And if you have aligned with these 4 P's, if you resonate with these 4 P's, then definitely you can be a successful programmer. For that, what you have to do is you have to just start your journey with basic programming. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I'll come soon with an interesting topic. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in next session.